In this video, we will compare two countertop ice makers, the Smug and Igloo. Both machines promise quick ice production and portability, making them ideal for home kitchens, parties, and camping. Let's dive into their features and see which one stands out. The Smug countertop ice maker produces 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes, while the Igloo takes a bit longer, producing 8 cubes every 7 to 8 minutes. This makes the Smug a slightly faster option for those who need ice quickly. Both the Smug and Igloo ice makers can produce up to 26 pounds of ice per day. This makes them equally efficient for daily use, whether for home gatherings or outdoor activities. The Smug ice maker features an auto-cleaning function, making maintenance a breeze. Similarly, the Igloo model also boasts a self-cleaning feature, ensuring that both machines are easy to keep clean and ready for use. In conclusion, both the Smug and Igloo countertop ice makers offer great features for quick and convenient ice production. The Smug has a slight edge in speed, while both models excel in daily production and maintenance. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.